Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do some word problems. And it says to find 4/7 of 14. So I'm going to draw this diagram. And I know that it needs to be in sevenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And if I have 14, how many am I going to put? So if I take 14 and I need to divide it 7 different ways, how many is going to be in each? Well, if you think about 14 divided by 7, I'm going to have 2 in each section. Okay, all you're thinking is what can I divide it into? So if I were to count this, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, I have 14. It says to find 4/7, so I'm going to look at only 4/7 of them. How many is in 4/7? 2, 4, 6, 8. There is 8 in 4/7 of 14. Okay. It says, how does knowing 1/8 of 24 help you to find 3/8? Or sorry, 1/8 of 24 help you find 3/8 of 24. Well, if I were to draw this diagram, and I'm going to go 8s, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I know I want to take 24 and split it 8 ways. Well, 24 divided by 8 is actually going to be 3. So I know that there's going to be 3 in each section. Okay, and how, knowing that there's going to be 3 in this 1/8, to be able to find 3/8 of 24, I know I'm just going to take this and multiply it by that numerator. So 3 times 3 is actually going to give me 9. So knowing that 1/8 of 24 is 3, I will then be able to figure out that 3/8 because I know I'm going to take it times 3 and I'm going to get 9. Okay. It says there are 32 students in a class. So I'm going to draw my diagram first. And it says there's 32 students in a class. And it says the class, 3/8. So because my denominator says 8s, I'm going to actually go ahead and already split it into 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And it says 3/8 of their class bring their own lunches. How many students bring their lunches? So I'm wanting to know how many kids bring their lunches of 3/8. Now, if I have 32, to split 32 8 ways, well, think about it. 32 divided by 8 is going to be 4. And I'm just going to, for time's sake, say 4. Okay. And so on here, I know that I want to know 3/8 bring their own lunches. How many bring their lunches? Well, I'm going to count by 4. 4, 8, 12 kids bring their own lunches. Okay. Number 5, Jack collected 18 $10 bills. So just remember, we've got 18 $10 bills. Okay. So we've got 18 $10 bills. So 18. It says, while selling tickets to the show, he gave a 1/6. So we're going to split it into 6ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the bills to the theater and kept the rest. I want to know how much money did he keep. So of these 18 $10 bills, he gave a 1/6. So I have it by 6. If I have 18, how would I divide 18 into 6? Well, if I were to count this, I know that 6 times 3 is going to be 18. So I know that each of them are going to be 3. So if I were to count this up, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. It says he gave a 1/6 to the theater and he was able to keep the rest. So he kept the rest. So he kept 3, 6, 9, 12. He kept 15 $10 bills. But I want to know how much money did he keep. He didn't keep $15. He didn't keep $10. He kept 15 $10 bills, which equals $150. So he kept $150.